Hey Levies, I'm your love, Srishti Datta. So the other night I was chilling at home and scrolling through my phone and I noticed something super cool. Everyone is rocking this vibrant and gorgeous hair colors, especially stunning shades of red. It looks so amazing and fun that I thought, why not try something new and exciting for myself? But here's the twist. I have never colored my hair before and I have always loved my natural black hair. And with so many options out there, I was feeling overwhelmed. How do you even choose the perfect shade? There are so many colors in the world and I was confused about what color should I get for my first hair color. I wasn't sure which color would suit me the best. So I turned to Garnier's virtual try-on tool. This tool detects and tracks your hair to show how different hair colors will look on you. And using the Garnier virtual try-on tool was an absolute blast. So here is how it works. You can either upload a photo of yourself or use your webcam to try on different hair colors. The tool offers wide range of shades, from subtle blondes to bold reds. Choose a color and the try-on technology will instantly show you how it looks on your face. I tried several shades and ultimately I fell in love with the 660 Intense Red. It added the right amount of boldness and vibrancy I was looking in for my new hair. Now, since I had selected my color, I bought it yesterday from my local market. I have no experience at all in hair coloring, so I am simply gonna follow all the instructions given in the packet. But I'm super excited, so let's hope it turns out good. Now let's begin with the application. Okay, so first I need to put the gloves on. Now let's mix the colors. It says to open the developer bottle and squeeze it into a mixing bowl. Add the colorant and mix it thoroughly until it's smooth and creamy. Perfect, let's do it. I'm using this ceramic bowl and first I'm squeezing out the developer bottle. Now I'm adding the colorant. And now let's mix the two together. It got mixed really fast. I thought it would take a lot of time. Now this is the most exciting part. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling super excited and obviously very nervous. Oh god, hope it works. I will be coloring only the half portion of my hair, so let me just brush them really quick. So as per the instructions, I need to divide my hair in different sections and then apply the color. I guess it's important. So let me just section my hair really quick. Okay, so I am done with this and now I'm gonna color this first stroke. In order to prevent any color from, touching my cloth, ruining my cloth, I am wearing this old towel. I am adding a little color on the middle part and more color on the end, as the middle part can create a transition kind of look from black to red. I guess this one is done and now I have to apply a aluminium foil over it. Yeah, that's it. See? It's so easy. Now all I have to do is do the other sections. Now I have to be a little careful since it can touch my face and stain my skin. I thought it will be hard, but to be honest, it was pretty easy. Okay, so it's saying to leave it for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with water, not with shampoo, only with water, and then use the conditioner given in this box and leave it for 5 minutes. So let me do all these things and get back. So I have done everything, washed the colors off, applied the conditioners, and I have air dried the hair a little, and now it's time for the reveal for you guys. It's so good. Okay. I swear I can't stop looking at my hair. It has become so soft. You know, you can see it actually. And it's supposed to stay on the hair for 10 weeks. Yeah, just looking like a wow. I'm literally shocked by how pigmented the red color is. Like, can you imagine? I have virgin hair and I have not used any bleach and still it got such a pigmented red color. I did not expect it at all. Trust me. I can't express how thrilled I am with the results. My hair feels so shiny, vibrant and healthy. The color is rich and even and my hair feels incredibly soft thanks to the oil in the formula. This was my first hair color experience and it could not have been better. I am so impressed by how easy it is to use the Garnier Color Natural Kit and the fantastic results. Perfect for anyone like me who is looking to try something new with their hair. So if you are thinking about coloring your hair, then I highly recommend you trying the Garnier's virtual try-on tool to find your perfect shade. It's fun, easy and it takes all the guesswork of choosing a color. I'm glad I filmed for you guys and also for me, as it's going to be a memory of me coloring my hair for the first time, which turned out literally great. And low-key, it became a tutorial video as well. So I hope my experience inspires you to try something new and bold with your hair. Now subscribe my channel so that we can meet again. Bye bye.